Okay, so today we're going to show you how to mount your MicaSense RedEdge camera onto your Inspire 2. As you can see here, we have an aircraft that has already been, everything's been installed. You got the GPS and the DLS sensor at the top on a bracket. It's already been put into place. You're basically going to mount the sensors to the bracket after you mount the bracket to the aircraft, and then wrap the wires around, put them in a convenient location. Here you can see the two screws that fasten the bracket. You're going to remove the old DJI screws and then replace the DJI screws with the bracket between the aircraft. At the bottom here, you can see the rest of the components, but we'll talk about that in a second. You're going to get the sensors installed at the top, and then you're going to wrap them around for the wiring. Now on the bottom, you can see the bracket holding the battery and the 4 screws. On the aircraft, you'll take those out, throw the old aircraft screws away or keep them in a safe place, and replace them by installing the bracket with the screws supplied. And then you'll be able to snap on your RedEdge camera, and we'll just go through plugging in the wiring here in a second, and you'll be ready to start your aircraft up. You can see that the MicaSense camera is easily removed and reinstalled. That's the design feature. So here we're going to plug in the white wires, which will be for your DLS and your GPS. And then you want to kind of push the cord into a safe location. You don't want a constant pressure pulling on any of the cords, but you do want to put them in a location that's good. And then you plug in the power supply, and you're pretty much good to go. And you can remove the battery top there and install and uninstall new batteries as needed. And that pretty much wraps up the installation instructions for the Inspire 2 and RedEdge M camera, or RedEdge camera, onto the Inspire 2.